Hi everybody, we're going to do problem number 1. So we need to print out principal. So what we need to do first is just do 566 mod 3. So remember that modulus is taking the remainder. So if we do some division, 3 goes into 5 once, 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, we get 2, bring down the 6. 3 goes into 26 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract 2, bring down the 6. And 3 goes into 26 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. We get a remainder of 2. So when we print out principal, the first thing we are going to print is the number 2. So that's the first part of the output. The next part of the output is to just do this little handy-dandy equation, 7 minus 4 times 8 mod 5. So remember your order of operations, and you always want to work left to right. So we will multiply first. So this is going to be 7 minus 4 times 8 is 32 mod 5. We still need to work this out, so we need to do 32 mod 5. 32 goes 5 goes into 32 6 times. We get 30, which means we've got a remainder of 2. So this would really just be, well, if I'm just going to write this over here, 7 minus 32 mod 5. This is 7 minus 2, which is 5. So the first pieces of output are just 2 and 5. If you haven't already, please take a minute to write that down. The first 2 lines of output, once again, are 2 and 5. Ready to go on? 1, 2, 3, and we're going to erase this. So we already got the first 2 pieces of information, 2 and 5. Now we just need to keep track of the variables. So we have int gummy is 7 divided by 4. Now, integer divided by integer is an integer, so gummy just has the value of 1. So the first thing we'll do is we'll print line gummy, which is just the value 1. The next thing we need to do is do some more integer arithmetic. So it says double sour equals gummy times 9. So that means sour is going to have the value gummy, which is 1 times 9. 1 times 9 is 9, but remember, because it's a double, this is really 9.0. So when we print out sour, we get 9.0. Then it says sour divide by equals 3. So basically the value of sour we take that, divide it by 3, and that's the new value. So we have 9.0 divided by 3, which is 3.0. So the value of sour right now is going to be 3.0. Finally, it tells us to print line math.pow 7, 2. Well, math.pow 7, 2 is just 7 to the second power. And remember that math.pow is always going to return a double, which is a decimal, which will give us 49.0. And this should lead you through problem 1, part A.